Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you another one of my absolute favorite recipes. This is a vegetarian veggie burger. So it's not vegan, but it is vegetarian and I love it a lot. So I hope you enjoy seeing this little recipe here. You want to start out by peeling the carrots and cutting off the ends. Then you want to go ahead and grate them. So this is the most annoying part of the recipe, to be honest, but it's totally worth it. Now you want to take the carrots in a bowl. You want to add your eggs. And then a lot of spices like pepper and salt and also nutmeg and some more extravagant stuff. And I will have a list of all the ingredients down below so you can check them out and yeah, replicate this recipe if you want to. So with all these different spices, the patties, they taste very good. They don't really taste a lot like carrot anymore because these spices are very strong and very delicious. Then you want to go ahead and add some breadcrumbs, and then you can start kneading this mixture until you have the feeling that they will stick together when you fry them. So just add a little bit more breadcrumbs if you feel like you need it, until you have a good feeling about the consistency. Now you want to form little patties, and if you want you can put them into some more breadcrumbs and make sure they're covered from both sides. And then you want to heat up some oil in a pan and you want to fry the patties in there. You want to give them a little bit of time from both sides so they're nice and brown. So here you can see the flipping, and as you can see they may not be like perfectly sticking together, but they usually work out quite fine. And then you can put some cheese on top. I use cheddar cheese and let that melt, and that's very delicious as well. Now you want to prepare the buns. These are like extra large buns because I feel like they're easier to fill. You want to cut down some tomato. Some cucumber. And I always need avocado on my burgers, so I can't miss out on that one. Now you want to take the buns and you can fry them in the rest heat in the pan a little bit. And I like to use mustard and ketchup, but you can also use cream cheese or barbecue sauce, whatever you like. This is just what I prefer. Then you want to put the patty with the cheese on. Then you want to add the tomato and the cucumber and the avocado. And then we almost forgot to add some lettuce, so you don't want to do that. Put your lettuce on top and then you're ready to enjoy. And burgers can always be a little bit stressful when you make them at home from scratch, but this recipe is totally worth it. We've had it so many times and I just love it. So I hope you give it a try and let me know whether you've liked it, and I will talk to you soon. Bye!